Welcome back to Polonium Technologies. Today, we're diving into an exciting project, simulating a traffic signal using the Raspberry Pi Pico. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials and projects. The Raspberry Pi Pico is a versatile microcontroller that's part of the Raspberry Pi family. Unlike its bigger siblings, the Pico is built around the RP2040 chip, offering a dual-core ARM Cortex-M0 Plus processor and plenty of GPIO pins for your projects. We've connected 3 LEDs to the Pico for this traffic signal simulation. The red LED is connected to GP1 and GND, the yellow LED is on GP5 and GND, and the green LED is connected to GP9 and GND. This setup allows us to mimic the behavior of a real traffic light. Using MicroPython, we can control the duration each light stays on, making it easy to adjust the timing according to our needs. Here's a sneak peek at the code. It's a simple script that cycles through the LEDs, turning each one on and off in sequence. You can find the full code in the description below, which is ready for you to download and customize. Watch as the red LED lights up, followed by yellow and finally green. This simulation is a great way to learn about the basics of traffic light control and how to work with the Raspberry Pi Pico's GPIO pins. Feel free to modify the timings in the code to see how the sequence changes. This hands-on experience is invaluable for understanding how real-world traffic lights are programmed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check out the code in the description and experiment with your own traffic light simulation. See you in the next video.